Hey there, space explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey beyond our Milky Way to uncover the secrets of the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest cosmic neighbor located a whopping 2.5 million light-years away. Buckle up, because we're diving into some mind-blowing facts that will take your understanding of the universe to new heights. 1. Collision of giants. Picture this, a cosmic spectacle of galactic proportions. In about 4 to 6 billion years, our Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy are destined for a colossal collision. Astronomers predict this epic event will reshape both galaxies, forming a brand new elliptical galaxy. 2. The Andromeda Marvel. Did you know that the Andromeda Galaxy is not only larger but also more massive than our Milky Way? With over 1 trillion stars compared to our 200 to 400 billion, it's a cosmic marvel. Its striking spiral structure, arms adorned with stars, gas, and dust, is an awe-inspiring sight through telescopes. 3. Cosmic time travel. Studying stars in the Andromeda Galaxy is like peeking back in time. These stars reveal the secrets of their birth and demise, offering us insights into the cosmic evolution over billions of years. From their formation in stellar nurseries to their eventual transformation into white dwarfs, neutron stars, or black holes. 4. The mysterious central black hole. At its heart, the Andromeda Galaxy hides a supermassive black hole, just like our Milky Way. This cosmic giant, with a mass of up to 1 billion times that of our Sun, wields significant influence over the galaxy's dynamics, regulating its growth and behavior. 5. Clusters and satellite galaxies. It's not alone out there. The Andromeda Galaxy boasts a retinue of satellite galaxies orbiting around it. These companions provide astronomers with valuable insights into the gravitational dynamics and interactions of galaxies and groups. 6. Dark matter enigma. The outer regions of the Andromeda Galaxy harbor a hidden secret, the presence of dark matter. This mysterious substance, unseen but impactful, shapes galaxies' behavior and plays a crucial role in the evolution of the universe. 7. A glimpse into the past. Exploring the Andromeda Galaxy offers us a window into the past. By studying its stars and properties, scientists gain invaluable knowledge about the universe's history and the processes that have shaped galaxies since the dawn of time. Conclusion. So, there you have it, fellow space enthusiasts. The Andromeda Galaxy is more than just a neighbor, it's a cosmic treasure trove of secrets that continue to captivate astronomers and fuel our curiosity about the vast universe we call home. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this galactic adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-boggling explorations of the cosmos. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the universe.